Are negative search results hurting your business? Does your company lack in the search results at all? Do you know online marketing experts have spent a lot of time providing advice on managing online ratings and reviews for local businesses? But reputation can have much broader impact than your reviews in Google. There are lots of misconceptions about online reputation management. Some people think it is just social media monitoring, while others believe it has something to do with public relations. And still others literally have no idea how it can impact business and sales. Hello guys, I am Naresh Kumar, founder of Go Digital Plan. In this video, we are going to explain some most effective online reputation management tips to help you use the search results to grow and protect your business. So let's start without wasting time. You should neutralize the damage of a bad review. Start with a prompt, professional response thanking the user for bringing the matter to your attention. If possible, tell the user how you're planning to address the problem. Rather than hurting your reputation, if you handle a bad review in a diplomatic way, you may even look better for it. Next tip is, you should hire an online brand manager. This person should be regularly monitoring the major review sites and other relevant platforms. He should check the most active review sites each weekday, as well as your company's social media accounts. Set Google alerts to let you know when someone writes something about your company or the apartment communities you manage. It is very easy to get sucked into this. But even if you are technically right, you might be lose out overall by just coming across as petty, harsh or unprofessional. You might actually be wrong. And once you get emotionally rolled up, you could end up saying and doing some things that damage your reputation. So you should respond only once or twice to each bad reviewer, and then ask them to contact you via phone or email. Don't get into public battles with your critics. No matter how right you might be, it makes you look petty. Review sites have terms of service, and in some cases, reviewers violate them. You may be able to eliminate some particularly negative reviews by using the platform's reporting process. Although that doesn't mean that the information in these reviews can't be valuable, but if you don't get a satisfactory response from the initial flagging of a Yelp review, you can use this form to appeal to a higher level. 40% of all online reviewers expect a response as soon as possible. You can try something like, "Thank you for your review. We're looking into it promptly and we'll have an update by tomorrow. If you have more information we should know, please call or email us right away so we can better serve you." In case of customer complaint via Twitter, Instagram or any other social platform, you can say, "We are aware of the problem. We are working on it and will get back to you as soon as possible." Don't lie about who you are, who your business is, what you have done or what your business accomplished. Don't falsify information or otherwise be misleading, and if you have made mistakes in the past, because people are more likely to dig up negative or dated content when they could not find transparency on the first search results they review. People want to trust you. In a recent survey, 56% of people said they are more likely to be loyal for life when they provided with complete transparent information.